Buying and selling secondhand in your community shouldn't be complicated, scattered listings, no trust, no safe way to trade. What if one platform could connect neighbors and make local trading easy? Introducing the Community Secondhand Trading Platform for Axure RP. A complete C2C marketplace prototype, 45 pages spanning a mobile app and a desktop backend management system. Everything from product listings to order tracking, designed in high fidelity. Post items for sale or request what you need. Search and filter by category and price. Chat with buyers and sellers in real time. Build trust with reviews, ratings, and identity verification. Manage orders, favorites, and transaction history, every feature covered. Save months of design work. This pixel-perfect prototype lets your team validate the concept fast, fewer misunderstandings, faster development, and a production-ready starting point. Get the Community Secondhand Trading Platform today for just $159. Visit AxureBoutique.com, link in the description.